Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn a whole concept of subtraction. So we have already learned the whole concept of addition. So even in addition we did few problems related to subtraction, but of course we didn't cover all the concepts related to subtraction like borrow method. Okay, so that one all I want to cover in this video. Okay, so how we will do normal subtraction and with borrow method, all that stuff. When we do normal subtraction, it's like a addition only. So whatever the method or concept we followed in the addition, same here we need to follow direct, small friend, big friend combination methods. So let's try to do the first question using direct method. 9 minus 2. So how to set 9? 5 plus 4, 9. Then when you are subtracting, you need to use your index finger, move beats away from the answering bar. So answer is 7. Okay, next question. 7 minus 2. So how to set 7? 5 plus 2, 7, then minus 2. So which is 5. So it's a direct method. No worries, we have all the values, all the bits which we should take out. So we are just removing. Next we will see small friend method. So 1, 5, 15 minus 3. How to remove minus 3? We don't have beats here directly. So we are going for small friend. What is the formula for minus 3? Which is minus 5 plus 2. So always keep your formula page handy. Okay. So what is the formula for minus 3? Minus 3 is equal to minus 5 plus 2. So small friend method. See here, yeah, minus 5 plus 2. Then try to solve it. Minus 5 plus 2. Okay, the answer is 1 to 12. Next question. 1, 5, 15 minus 4. So how to do minus 4? Which is minus 5 plus 1. So remove 5. Then add 1. Because we don't have beats here. When you don't have beats, you need to go for small friend first. Minus 5 plus 1. So the answer is 1, 1, 11. So let's solve next question. 10 minus 9. 1, 0, 10. So how to remove minus 9? Here we don't have beats. Okay. Then what's the formula? We can't use even small friend. Okay. So for above 5 values you need to go for big friend. So minus 10 plus 1. So the answer is 1. Next question again. 10 minus 7. So how to do minus 7? What's the formula? Minus 10 plus 3. Okay, we don't have 3 bits, then we can't go for small friend as it is a number is 7. Then minus 10 plus 3. So the answer is 3. Okay, that's the big friend. Next we will see few examples for combination method. That is 1, 3, 13 minus 6. So how to subtract minus 6? Papa down, mama down, babies down. Okay, because we can't go for big friend. Big friend is minus 10 plus 4. Even we can't add 4 bits. Here we have only 1 bit. So that time we need to go for combination method. So minus 10 plus 5 minus 1. So which is papa down, mama down, babies down. Papa down, mama down, babies down. Okay, 6 means how many children? Only one child, right? For 6, 1. For 7, 5 plus 2, which is 2. And for 8, it is 3. For 9, it is 4. Okay. If you try to learn this way, it's easy to recollect the values. Okay. So next question. So our answer is 7. Okay. Let's do the next question. 1, 4, 14. So minus 9. So how to do minus 9? We can't do minus 10 plus 1. We can't add plus 1. So we need to go for again combination method. Minus 10 plus 5 minus 4. Okay. Minus 10 plus 5 minus 4. Papa down, mama down, babies down. Okay. So the answer is 5. Okay. So here whatever the problems we have done, we didn't take any borrow. We no need to take. We have all the values more than what we need to subtract. Okay, so now let's do subtraction using borrow method. So here actually we have two types of category problems. One category where we will take borrow but we won't get negative value as our answer, but we have few problems there we need to take the borrow and our answer is in negative form. Okay, when we will get the negative value. So if our minute is positive, the answer is positive. If the minute is negative, then the answer is negative. Okay, so that's why I have taken the 4 problems under 2 categories. Okay, so let's try to solve. Here I'll get only positive values, even I'll take the borrow, but the answer is positive. But here I have one more category, I'll take the borrow here also, but I will get negative number. Let's see how we are going to get those values. So the first question, 10, okay, minus 12, minus 1, minus 2. How to do minus 2? So we can't do minus 2, we don't have bits. Then take the borrow from the left hand side. Okay, so which is 10. So whatever the borrow we have taken, we need to represent that borrow, so that we won't forget that we have taken the borrow. Okay, so 10. So in same position, same place, so 10th place. Okay, I have taken 10 in 10th place. Okay, so now let's do the subtraction. So now I can easily remove minus 2. So how to remove? Because I have 10 minus 10 plus 8. So I need to do plus 8 in ones place, and I need to remove the borrow bit which I have taken. So minus 10 plus 8. Okay, and then what's the next step? Plus 5. So what I need to do? I need to add 5. So how to add 5? Plus 10 minus 5, big friend formula. Okay, even we are using borrow method, we should use the same direct small friend big friend method when we don't have the sufficient beats. Okay, next, let's do it. Plus 10 minus 5. Now the answer is 13, but we are not going to write down the answer as 13 because we have taken the borrow 10. We need to return that borrow. Now we have the sufficient value, which is big value. So try to remove that 10 which we have taken earlier. So minus 10 minus 10. So the answer is 3. So even here you have taken the borrow value, still we got the answer is 3, which is a positive number because our minute is positive. Okay, so that's why we got our result as positive value. Okay, let's solve the next question. 9 minus 11. So you can't subtract 11 here in 10th place, we don't have beads. So let's take one bead from 10th place. So represent that one over here in the same position. Okay, now you do the subtraction. Minus 1 in ones place. So how to do it? It's a direct method. Okay, so just subtract one bit from 9. Okay, so now we got 8. So then we need to do plus 5. So plus 10 minus 5, which is equal to 13. But it's not our actual answer, so we need to give back our borrow bit, which is 10. So just remove it, then we got our answer 3. Okay, so even we have taken the borrow bits, we didn't get our answers as a negative number. So it's a positive numbers because end of the day we are able to return the borrow bit. So let's solve next question. 1, 3, 13 minus 59. How to subtract 5? We don't have bits. Then take the borrow from the leftmost rod, which is in hundreds place, and represent that into the same here. Okay, 100th position, one bead up. So now subtract minus 5. How to subtract? Minus 10 plus 5. Okay, then we have minus 9 over here. How to do minus 9? Minus 10 plus 1 big friend. So what's the answer we got? 5, 4, 54, then plus 1. So add 1 using small friend, plus 5 minus 4. So we got our answer 55. But here we have taken the borrow. We should return this one. So but we can't, we don't have, we have very less value compared to our borrow. Borrow is 100 and the value we got is 55. So what we need to do, we need to find out the complement of 55. How to get that value? Just subtract 55, 100 minus 55 and assign the negative sign to the answer. So 100 minus 55 means how much? Minus 10 plus 5, again minus 10 plus 5. So how to do minus 10 here? Minus 50 plus 40 and then add 5 in ones place. Okay, so you need to subtract from 50, we need to subtract 1 5. Okay, so how to subtract 1 5? 45. So the answer is minus 45. If you do generic method also, you will get the same answer, minus 45. So what we have done, just we need to subtract, we need to find out the complement. How to find out the complement? Whatever the borrow we have taken and whatever the answer we got, we need to subtract the from borrow bits the answer, then we will get the actual answer, okay, which is in the form of negative number. Okay, let's solve next question. This problem also same. If you don't get also, don't panic, just do one more time. 44 minus 6. How to subtract minus 6? We have 40 only, but we need to subtract 60, so that's why we need to take borrow and represent that in the other side. So now we can subtract minus 6. How to? Minus 10 plus 4 we can't do, then we need to go for a combination. Papa down, mama down, babies down. Then we need to do minus 4 in ones place. We can do direct method. So now we need to add 1, so we added, then we got value 81, but it's not our actual answer because we need to return our borrow. As we don't have as many bits how much we borrowed, then we need to do what? 100 minus 81. So whatever the answer we got, we need to assign the negative value to that answer. Okay, so minus 8 means 100 is there, so minus 10 plus 2. Okay, in tens place we need to add 2. Then we need to subtract 1 in ones place, so minus 10 plus 9. So again you need to use your big friend formula, because 20 minus 1. So 20 minus 1 means how much? 19, right? 1 9 19. Now we subtracted 8 and as well as 1. So the answer is 1 9 19 with negative sign. So the answer is minus 19. So let me revise the concept. Here we got two values, two answers. One is positive and one is negative. For the positive, we are able to return back the borrow bits, but whereas in negative, we couldn't able to return back the bits. So that's why we are finding the complement to that number. So how to get the complement to that number? So we need to subtract whatever the value we got from the value which we have taken borrow. So then we will get value is in the form of negative. Okay, so that's it for today's session. I hope you all people understand the concept of subtraction using borrow method. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.